Why does an engine misfire in just one cylinder? When an engine misfires in just one cylinder, it's like part of the team stops working. The other cylinders keep running, but that cylinder doesn't burn the air fuel mixture properly, causing a loss of power and rough operation. The most common cause is usually in the ignition system. A damaged spark plug, a faulty coil, or an electrical problem can prevent the right spark from reaching the cylinder. It could also be a dirty or faulty injector that's not delivering the necessary fuel. In more serious cases, the problem could be inside the engine, like low compression, damaged valves, or internal wear. Customers usually notice vibrations, jerking, loss of power, increased fuel consumption, and the check engine light coming on. To find the affected cylinder, in the shop we first check the coils, spark plugs, and injectors. If the problem persists, we perform compression tests to confirm if there's a mechanical issue. Ignoring this issue for too long can end up damaging expensive components, like the catalytic converter.